Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Kalia, filling in for Dadrian. Gospel event The Well Encounter locked off by police. The highly anticipated gospel show held at Sabina Park was shut down by the authorities over the weekend. The show came to an abrupt close during the set for international artist Chandler Moore. In a release from the organizers, Kingdom Culture says, despite pleas from the experienced director, Kevin Downswell, Nadine Blair, and others, the JCF asked for the event to be stopped without allowing them to notify Chandler Moore and close out the event. The release went on to say, and I quote, "We understand that the devil has a grip on Jamaica that he doesn't want to let go of." In alignment with the release, Chandler himself took to his IG where he promised to return to Jamaica. The event saw performances from Rhoda Isabella, Rondell Positive, Caroline Davis, Kevin Downswell, along with international acts Naomi Rain and Chandler Moore from Maverick City. In an E-Prime follow-up, Coffee Not Detained gained entry to the U.S. The artist, who was interviewed by U.S. officials following an altercation on American Airlines last Thursday, was not detained and was able to fulfill her obligations at SWSW event in Texas over the weekend. The RGR newsroom broke the news on Thursday of the Grammy Kid alleged disruption on the AA flight following a refusal to gain entry to the first-class bathroom. Passengers who travel economy are not allowed in first class. And still on coffee, the Grammy Kid leads in this year's International Reggae and World Music Awards, IRAMA. Coffee got 7 nods, including Best Female Dancehall Artist, Best Female Vocalist, Recording Artist of the Year, Entertainer of the Year, and Best Album. Following Coffee are Spice, Massacre, and Popcorn with 6 nods, while Sean Paul, Gramps Morgan, and Ding Dong each have 4 nods. IRAMA will also honor both the Bounty Killer and Beanie Man with the Hall of Fame and the Lifetime Achievement Awards. Martins International, producer of the IRAMA, revealed during the nomination ceremony last weekend that the 2 dancehall icons, Beanie Man with 40 years and Bounty Killer with 30 years in the business, will be honored for untiring and extraordinary contributions to the reggae music internationally. Other special awards include Peter Tosh, who is being awarded posthumously for his work in the global legalization of medical marijuana, while the Humanitarian and Philanthropy Awards to the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Babsy Grange, Joseph Bogdanovich, Usain Bolt, Copeland Forbes, Marcy Griffiths, Freddie McGregor, Beres Hammond, Stone Love, and Pat Sheen of VP Records. IRAMA, which has been on the hiatus due to COVID-19, will be held this May under the theme Reggae Rise, the best of the years 2021 and 2022. I am Kalia reporting for E-Prime.